bouncing.
Yeah, so we just woke up and it's raining like hell. You can tell. It stopped raining. Now we have to do all this stuff. I smell. Love Wisconsin. What the fuck? Yeah, so. And then my attractive poncho. And here we are. Surviving. I look like crap right now, yeah. See? Attractive.
No,
Yeah, thanks, Dad. He has to say that.
no, I don't. But I always say that.
But yeah, we're just waiting on a couple people to go out of the bathroom, and then we'll be on our way. And then we're gonna go to the drive-in, watch Eclipse, and yeah.
We'll try.
Team Jacob!
Team
I don't even know you
Vampire.
anymore.
Team Vampire.
What? What? Yeah, we're stuck in traffic. Like, terrible traffic. It's down to one lane. F you, Wisconsin. Ow. Hi. And now we're at Cracker Barrel.
Good food.
Good food, yeah. And it was like a long ass drive. But now we're finally here. And now we're just waiting for a number to get called, so, you know. Flip on the safe. Oh, you know what's poppin'. How's it going? How you feel?
Good.
Do you? How do you feel?
Tired.
Do you really?
I feel horrible because of the
You just said you felt good.
stupid
You're lying to me. You're lying.
Well, I've
You're
been
lying.
I've been to here before.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
Jared, order. Okay, you get what you want to get,
What'd you say?
She wants mac and cheese.
Jared.
Low carb? Are you crazy?
No low carb, we're hungry. Yeah, come on, man. Eric, here's your paddle ball.
Yeah, paddle ball.
And I got this. It's cute.
I'm driving.
Are you really? Oh, dang. And you scared me for a second. I'm like, oh, we're all gonna die.
No.
Noah. I saw that skunk ball you got. Skunk ball? Yeah. Oh, nice one. So, yeah, we just got done eating, and I was starving, so I don't want to record what I was eating, so.
Are you driving too?
I wish.
Yeah, I wish too, man. Yeah, I haven't started driving yet, so. Fun fact to know about me. Isn't that right, Faja? Isn't that right? Nico's driving. Nico's a bitch. Nobody wants to drive with him. He's gay. Gay. Gay.
You should get the Tic Tac toe.
It's a necklace, though. It's a necklace.
Yeah, it's okay with me. Just don't get near any electronics.
Maddie, back at home or Nico's house, whatever. And yeah,
Just do Chicago.
it's the air conditioning.
And this fan. It's not even that cool.
The gay ass cheapest fan. Yeah, so it's like 98 degrees here too. So what the hell.
Going on 10. I didn't even use half these clothes. Look at this.
Yeah, you overpacked, man. I don't know what you're doing.
Shit out.
Stupid. Look at his closet too. Look at all those clothes. It's not even half of it.
Like I wore this
Yeah.
I wore this once. I
Yeah.
wore this and this.
Yeah.
Pretty much all of that that's left over in there.
Oh shit! You wore this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
there.
wore that.
All this
Damn, you didn't.
left over.
Watching some Timothy Delgado. You know.
Destiny, you're gonna shed on my black jeans and I just washed these. Hey baby.
Stupid. Stupid.
Where's your mommy, huh? Where's your mommy?
I'm wearing Nico's shirt.
Destiny. Hi.
Ed
hi.
Hardy, yo. Ed Hardy.
You look so pretty today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's your mommy?
Your mommy. Eliana. Did you ask?
Are you seriously like vlogging while you're watching him?
Yeah. You missed it.
No, I got it.
No,
I-
it's okay.
no,
I
I
have to-
told
I
him
have
to
to pay
pay
for
for it.
myself. Then.
No, you're not.
It's okay. I can't reach in my.
I'm
Damn
gonna stay in the
wallet.
car if you do. Hey, how you doing? We got 7 adults. A car also behind you, okay? 4 children and 1 under 5.
Yeah, man. Eclipse. $83. Team Jacob. How much? 83. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're driving now. That's how it looks. And they're off. Nathan! Trying to Mom. Are you excited? Yeah. She doesn't look too excited. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. Are you guys excited? Okay, go ahead. Say what we're gonna see.
Eclipse and Toy Story 3.
Are we really?
Yeah.
So apparently we're seeing Toy Story 3 too. So
Our Prince of Persia because of
I'm creeping on them.
But Nathan's crying right now. Why? Sit down.
Oh, is he okay?
Rock and threw it at me in the car.
Jacob. Yeah, but now it's intermission for Toy Story 3. Hey. Hey.
Was awesome.
Yeah, it was. Team Jacob. Right, Maddie?
Yes.
Team Jacob.
Totally.
And now we're getting a Slurpee.
One more fry?
Yeah.
Blue raspberry. Hey, wait.
So that wraps up my whole experience camping or whatever. Whole experience. There it was, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just gonna pass out now and sleep in a bed. Air conditioning. Thank God.